Hi everyone, I'm Crystal Priestley. I will be presenting English in Pakistan, who speaks it, and what it gets you. So let's go over what's going to be covered. I'm going to talk about the languages that are spoken in Pakistan, as well as who speaks those and who speaks English, and what the benefits are as far as knowing English. So looking at the pie chart, there are 6 common languages besides English that are spoken in Pakistan. The majority of the population speaks Punjabi at 48%, while English is the official language. Urdu is the national language with only 8% of people speaking it. Around 49% of the population speaks English as a second language. Pakistan is trying to separate themselves from India ever since the partition and become their own country by changing the official language to Urdu. This is because Urdu is the closest to all of the other native languages. English is mainly taught in the school systems. It's mainly reserved for those who are wealthy and can afford to send their children to private schools. Around 90% of the classes taught are taught in English. Private schools are able to better afford the education materials in order to better teach English to the students. The majority of business is done in English, so it's required to know the language because you'll be traveling around a lot and doing business with Americans. It is widely used in the executive, legislative, and judicial branches, as well as to some extent in the officer ranks of Pakistan's armed forces. Pakistan's constitution and laws are also written in English, as well as other legal documents such as passports. Most of the television and newspapers are also spoken and written in English. Some of the benefits are you'll be able to find a better paying job, especially in the field of business. You'll be able to better support your family if you know English. You can play a role in politics or at least better understand the legal system, as well as understand the Constitution. As Pakistan is trying to change their official language to Urdu, they're also rewriting all of their laws in other languages. So this will help with that later on, but right now it's very beneficial to speak English, or at least know English. And thank you for your time.